Oh, welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is John from Cars and Johnny. I got a call from my wife that her son Raymond, who owns a Deuce and a half military troop carrier, is going to be moving his truck to its storage location. And so I have a brief opportunity to get some footage of that, and here's that footage. We're almost there. Now we should be seeing the truck anytime. So he also has a second truck. He has a wrecker as well as a Deuce and a half. So everybody, this is Raymond. Hey Raymond, how's it?
Morning. Pretty much ready to go.
Okay. So how long have you owned this truck, Raymond?
I don't know, many years now. I don't remember.
Okay. What was the cost of something like this? If somebody wanted to pick one up.
I bought this for $2,000.
Seriously, $2,000. I can't believe you could buy this much truck for $2,000 bucks.
Not in good shape though. It was pretty rough.
What kind of work did you do on the truck?
Body work, very little mechanical work. Mostly body.
No, the truck looks great. And it's been in the movies.
Yep. So whatever movies or TV shows might need a military truck to rent it.
All right. Starts right up, just like a diesel should. So what is this vehicle as far as its transaxle? Exactly. You have two rear ends, right?
We have well, that's 6 live axles.
It's a
It's a 6-wheel drive.
6-wheel drive.
Not a 4-wheel drive. It's a 6.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you regular diesel will.
It's a diesel engine, but it'll run on anything. It'll run on gasoline, jet fuel, rubbing alcohol, you name it. It's called a multi-fuel engine.
So this truck has a multi-fuel system, and it'll run on everything from gasoline to cooking oil. It'll work on cooking oil. So these type of trucks are meant to run on anything or whatever resource they have in the location that they're at if they don't have fuel. So what is the upkeep to have something like this? Is it a lot of money to own it?
Probably the biggest expense is maybe registration.
Do you have to pay by weight or?
Yeah, it's by weight.
Okay.
So that's pretty pricey. The parts aren't too bad. Obviously, the biggest problem is probably just having the space to keep it.
I see. Having a storage, and that's where we're going, to a farm. You store it at a farm.
Yeah.
A family friend.
Other than that, just the parts are big and heavy. You know.
Oh, I see.
Nothing is made out of plastic in here. It's all metal. It's all cast iron, cast steel.
Heavy duty.
Yeah. So it's not small. They're not light.
Built to last.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's 1970. How many years is that? That's 30. 50 years old, still running, starts on a dime.
Yep.
You have all these switches. What kind of a volt system is it run on?
It's a 24 volt system, so everything electrical on this cab or in this truck is 24 volts.
Being that this truck is in the movies, I mean, you make a pretty good amount of money ongoing. I mean, just having it. I mean, does it pay for itself?
Well, it's paid off already, and then it's made money, so yeah.
Oh, even better. So you profit off of having it. No, that's good. That makes it kind of cool though, right? You can see your trucks in a movie.
Yeah, I guess, yeah. I mean, that's not the reason I own the truck. I own it because I enjoy it for what it is. Oh, Robert Patrick.
Robert Patrick, the
Yeah.
Terminator 2
Liquid metal.
liquid metal
Yeah, so he
actor,
sat in that seat.
sat right here where I'm sitting right now. And you were driving it that day.
I was driving it, talking some small talk with him.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Neat. So what kind of looks do you get from people when you drive around?
Oh, probably all kinds.
I hear you do, you take this to a parade?
Yeah, sometimes. A 4th of July parade.
The exhaust on this thing is so loud. So he takes this to the 4th of July parade in Kailua. And then you take Boy Scouts in the back, right?
Yeah. Usually this box will be back here and full of Boy Scouts.
Okay. Hey, you're shifting at about 15?
Yeah, it's a very low. It's 360 diesel, so it's not a whole lot of RPMs.
Have you ever taken it on the freeway?
Yeah, we just rode your own speed.
What do you cruise at, about 50, 45?
That's pushing it.
Oh, really?
40.
40? It feels good right here on the road. It feels like we're moving.
Yeah.
So do you take family and friends for rides in this thing?
Yeah, once in a while.
This thing has an air horn? That's Raymond's mom right there. She's doing some camera roll. There's a GoPro on the window. You can see it. So that was a fun video. I'd like to thank Raymond for sharing his deuce and a half. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more amazing content like this, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Next up, join Cars and Johnny as Phoenix takes on the challenge of doing 7 oil changes in one day. That's basically every car in the MRC fleet. I think you can do it in a few hours, but we'll see how long it goes. We also have some upgrades to the Evo 10 MR where we will be pushing the stock block up to 400 horsepower. And we're going to be adding a livery. This month, the Mazda Miata is going to be getting some new rims and tires and a new theme. So tune in for those videos. Until the next time, peace out.